terms of big corporations who have been very successful throughout, sometimes it's because of how they believe that works for them, and they have been keeping close to what they think. And sometimes for us to go into the corporations and introduce a new way of thinking, and especially in brainstorming, because most of the time how companies can succeed is always to bring new products that will be helping and people and bring value.
Right.
So the successful companies in the world looks into investing in brain capital, in having their brain asset built up. So only companies who are very closed doors will become fixed, because the world is becoming so different. So in the companies that we visit, I'm introducing a new way to brainstorm, which is of course using the mind map. Because most of the time this will be the think tank, this will be the starting point of great products. If they get the formula wrong in terms of brainstorming, they will not get fantastic results, and the company will not be able to go through the next lap. So how we do it is that we go in and we explore how the companies have been doing their brainstorming traditionally. And most of the time I get the same answers. Traditionally, they would have people starting to talk about their ideas and exchange ideas, and after 1 hour or so, they will only have 3 to 4 ideas. Well, it's the same throughout, in Asia, in everywhere. Then I asked them, but why? Why do you only get 3 to 4 ideas? You have 5 people, you have 10 people, top brains, engineers, leaders. Why you only get so few? Well, they say most of the time we spend on talking, debating on your idea, justifying my idea, or even sometimes getting emotional in a think tank session. So that's why when we introduce the Tony Buzan way of brainstorm, we tell them, do not engage in a verbal communication for the first 5 minutes, but put it down, put your ideas down onto a mind map. First 5 minutes, brainstorm. 5 person in the room, get it down on paper, and the next step, each one would have about 2 to 3 minutes to explain what you have drawn on your mind map. All right? So if you have 5 people with about 5 to 10 branches, all right, then your 5 people times 10, you get 50 ideas, and you spend half the time. Right? The last segment to that is that you put down everyone's ideas into a bigger piece of a mind map. Then you get to sort what ideas is going to help the company in the next 3 months, what are the long-term ideas that you can shelve them for later on processing. And we see great results after that because everybody are happy. Everybody's happy. They get the ideas through, and the ideas are pinned up on the department in the big mind map. And they get to remember what ideas have been said, then they can develop them later on. So the mind map works wonders for a typical company.
Interesting,